This is just a quick overview of Chapter 23. In Chapter 23, we're going to look at the different types of variances, and this is where you compare the actual to the budgeted amount. And so what we'll learn is about how performance is measured by comparing actual results to the planned results. And the objectives are down here at the bottom. You should be able to describe the types of standards and how they're established, describe and illustrate how standards are used in budgeting, compute and interpret direct materials and direct labor variances. You're going to be able to compute and interpret factory overhead, controllable, and volume variances. You'll journalize the entries for recording standards in the accounts and prepare an income statement that includes variances from standard, and describe and provide examples of non-financial performance measures.